Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am reviewing and unboxing this light from B-Topper, which it is the LS10 moving headlight, and it's a gobo light from B-Topper, and we'll be reviewing and unboxing one today. I have two of these, and at the end we'll be having two of them going together with some music. So let's get straight on it. Okay, so now let's get to the unboxing bit. I'm gonna open up the box. So this specific car light, it's we'll be unboxing it now. It's a gobo light. So basically we have different patterns because we have the different gobos. Right up to the edge, showing her nice and space. A big box. It's probably gonna have another box inside of it. That's probably it is. Yes, it does. Double unboxing today, guys. For the actual size of the fixture you're getting, the box is pretty small. And I have to admit, they've done really well packing it into the product. Ignore this bit. This is just like Royal Mail. Okay, right, this is a better size. So, haha. I don't know if it's Royal Mail. Probably. We did get a faulty fixture from them. They're actually really quick to send it back. We got the email saying they would send us a new fixture last night. And here we are, next day. Although I'm in the UK, so I don't know, might be different. So anyway, we open it up. We have the manual, warranty card, kettle lead. I thought these come in. Anyway, we have the mounting bracket, styrofoam, and then call it neck. I forgot how high it is. I of course took mine out of it. These for two is 130 odd pounds. Pretty good deal. And there's all styrofoam by the way in the bottom. So we now have each thing. We have the fixture, the mounting bracket, the kettle lead, warranty card, and manual. The manual comes in multiple different languages. In fact, the other manual did, this one is only in English, it seems. So, never mind, they're all in English. But that's fine, I'm assuming. So, get that over there. This is a daisy chainable light fixture, so we can daisy chain it or we can like master slave. So if I bring the brightness up of the other fixture, okay, so let's grab our kettle lead, and on the back, I'll show you what. And now you see, dimming up, we got two! Literally simple as that. You can get the I'm very careful with the pan, but you can see we can. Oh, there's ash on the cable. Whoops. We can. So you see a lot of different colour gobos. As well as the pattern gobos. So you can't see here. Okay, now we're going to go through the different channels. That's a good thing. So number one, we have our pan and our tilt. Oh, no, number one is our pan. Number two, a fine pan, which is very fine. Number 3, what is it? Number 3 is a tilt. Number 4 is that fine tilt. Don't even know if you can see it on there. Very hard to notice. Now we have the ones which require our dimming to be on, because these are different color gobos. So we have our color gobos. There are plenty of, and there's also the higher values, a automatic changing. So there's quite a lot in there. Also got a pattern gobo, which you can't see from there, but you'll see it later when we have them going behind me. In fact, you know what I might do? I'll spin these round. Okay, they're a bit close together, but it's fine. I'll tilt one side. I'm going to be in the shadow of that, does it matter? I don't think. Okay, that'll do. So for colour gobos, we have these. Of course, in our actual setup, you'd have them in different places. There are colour gobos, and we also have the pattern gobos. See now better behind me from the 2 fixtures. Now we have a strobing feature, which the camera doesn't really pick up, but it is exactly what it looks like. Oh, I'm not going to lie, but it is exactly clue in the name thing. Because okay, next channel, which is what channel? Is our dimming, and then we have next channel our rotation speed. So now we see if I say I wanted to put it like move it, you've got a very slow moving now. Get it back to the same once we get a nice position, you know what I'm like? You don't, but I know what I'm like. Okay, let's put it back. We can turn the rotation speed up now. Then we have auto. Then we have our reposition mode, which is basically an auto mover, and then in the highest value, oh my bad, I turn it off. Sorry guys, it's my cheapo adapter. It's my adapter, that's why. Right, there you go. High values, puts it into, as you can see here, a reset mode. Just spins it round and gives it. I'll turn it off that though because it quickly resets itself and sorts itself out, and then it realises its channel and gets itself back, pointers it to where it is. So overall, a very good light. Okay everyone, this is the lights, as I said at the end, both of them together with some non-copyright music on sound mode, as I don't have anything on my show DMX Channels, so let's show you on sound mode. So let's go.